Hello, welcome to another Adalo tutorial. Today I want to cover magic test in Adalo. So using magic test in Adalo. Adalo, it's a cool tool definitely, but the way you get things from your database to your screens is using magic test. You must have created your data. This is a doc wiki, right? You must have created your data like the doc, so you can see my database right here. But if I want users to be able to display, if I want users to be able to see what's on my database, I will have to use a wiki. So what I'm doing on this application is that I'm passing data from here, like you can see all the way. This is the doc data screen to this doc data screen, and I want users to see what's inside this card. So you can see right here, this doc, right, has a name, has an image, has a note, published date, doc type, ID, created date, and the rest. So I want users to be able to view. So it's like a document. If you create a document, you want users to be able to view those documents. So what I'm going to do, I want to add the name, the title. So I want to add the title. See this T here? This T here says add magic test. So this is what does all the trick. Because if you click on the screen, you'll see that this has some unavailable data, which is the current document. That's why it's passing right there. So I want to take the details of this current document and put it here so I can get the current document name. So I'm going to say click on the T, current document name, right? That's it. And I can format it by clicking on the formatting right here and probably give it like a 24, right? And then I can add another plus sign, and I can bring an image. So this could be an image, a video. So if this document has a video, right, you can actually put it in. So I'm just going to be using an image right here. I'm going to be using an image, and I can say image source, database, current document, image, right? So you can see this is also the magic image link. That's what you're using. So if there's no image, what do you want to show there? You could show a placeholder like hello, there's no image here, or you could say don't show anything. And then we have other details that we can add. We can add the description or the created date. So we can add the created date or description. So I'm going to add the created date. Take this away. Click on the plus sign and current document, created date. Then I'm going to click into the date right there to format it. So it could be like relative just means how many days ago was this document created. So I'm just going to leave it here relative, and that's fine. And lastly, I'm going to add the document itself, right? I'm going to add the description itself. So this is the story. So it's a document. So I'm just going to add the story, current doc, note. So I'm going to add the note itself and format it. So the date itself, I'm going to format it. Click on the plus sign. Okay, go back to the created date. I'll click on the plus sign, and I'm going to make it 12. Make it not light, right? So this is the note. So this is basically how you use magic text. But there are some magic text that will require you to do some calculations, right? Say for example, I want to add created date, right? And after dropping the created date magic text, I could just put a tab. So hit the space bar, click here, and add another magic test in there, right? Or maybe I want to format it differently. So this is my note, right? This is my the story. This is my created date, and I'm bringing the name over here, right? The name of this particular story over here. You don't want to allow too much spacing because it's going to show in your document, right? It's going to show in your screen. So right there, I want to mention the name. So I want to say welcome, something like welcome Paul, welcome, welcome. So you just say I just wrote the normal welcome, and I'll click on the magic test, current users username. Okay, say logged in users username. So that's just basically it. Nothing. You don't have to do too much. And there are sometimes you want to format. You want to format this. For example, if I click on this, if I click on the magic test, right, I could say new formula, right? New formula, and I can click on this formula and click on this magic test now, and I can, I can say I want to add the current time, start of day. So I want to add, these are just time, right? These are just for time. And I can add function, I can round off integer, you know, square root, exponential, round off, log. I can do so many things with the magic test, right? So I hope you now know what magic test is and how it works in Adalo. I'll see you in a different tutorial entirely. Bye.